Hello everyone, and welcome to another LEGO how to build. And for today's episode, we'll be making a boxer robot. I got inspired by the movie Real Steel. It's a really cool movie about robots that fight each other, and let's just say I like fighting movies. There's a link in the description below of the trailer, and here we have our LEGO boxing robot. Meet Apex, everyone. And I really like how I did his gloves, and yeah. And without further ado, let's create this bad boy. These are the pieces you need for Apex's arm. This is a weird piece. It's a 2x2, but it has a hole on the side. This is another weird piece. It's a 2x2 hole. I didn't have another 1x1 thick, so you could add another 1x1 thick on the other hand, and there you have Apex's arm completely done. These are the pieces you'll need for the hip. There's Apex's front waist. Now time to assemble Apex's waist. And there's Apex's waist completely done. These are the pieces you need for Apex's legs. And there you have Apex's foot completely done. These are the pieces you'll need for Apex's head. And there you have Apex's head completely done. These are the pieces you'll need for Apex's body. And yes, there's a lot. I couldn't find a cheese wedge, and we'll leave that there for a little while. Oops, I made a mistake. Now time to work on Apex's pecs. And you need a T connector so that way you connect his pec. Time for Apex's other pec. There's Apex's body completely done. Now it's time to assemble him. And also, he has a little core. It's optional, but I think it's cool for detail. Now, let's assemble him. Time to assemble him. Looks like I forgot a little piece. I'm sorry about that. It's a ball joint with a little Technic pin in it. Just place it in there, and then now let's assemble him. And there you have Apex completely done. And there you have it. You have Apex, a strong robot. Inspired by real steel. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Please wait. Is that Axe 1? What are you doing here? Guys, break it up. Look what you did now, Axe 1. Well, this is Apex, the brawn, and this is Axe 1, the brains. Which, and they're supposed to be partners, but yet they don't get along. I'm talking about you, Axe 1. But, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe down below. Share this with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next show. Goodbye!